From the window to the wall, we getting lit up in it, big bouncing. We does it big up in it, big bouncing.
What's up? So it's a nasty day out, but we're gonna go ahead and get the truck pulled in and dry it off real quick, and then we're gonna end up removing that. We're gonna try to get the bed removed because I want to do like at least I want to check out most of the frame, and while it's off, I want to get that other 2-inch lowering kit put on, and it'll be a lot easier with the bed off. And I want to, do a whole real good coating on everything underneath the bed since it has rust on the panels and everything. And then I want to end up while the bed's off in the next couple weeks. I don't know if I'm gonna cut out the rust and put in a patch panel or just bond it with like the little sticky pieces and throw some Bondo and everything on that for now. Either way I'll end up cutting the rust out. I just don't know how big that rust spot on the bedsides are. So that'll just be a grind on it and see if we need the patch panels or not. But if it's just a couple small holes, I'll probably just fill it with body filler for now. But we're gonna go ahead and start undoing wires and unbolting the bed. And then after that, we'll take the tailgate off and hopefully we'll be able to lift it off and pull the truck out. Alright, while we've got the bed on, I'm going to go ahead and grind this down to see if we're going to have to order a patch panel for the sides. So I'm going to go ahead and grind it off until I don't see rust or Bondo. right, now that we've got an idea of what we're looking at rest-wise, so it's a pretty big spot. I knew that it was going to be at least the middle area. I didn't expect it to stretch from side to side on them, so we're probably just going to order patch panels for each side, and I'm going to see if I can't get the inner and outer and see what I can do with that. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and order those, and I'm going to measure it and order those really quick. Just so I just threw the paint on there just to cover up the bare metal for now so it didn't get any more surface rust or continue to grow in the meantime. So I'm going to measure that and make sure that the patch panels will cover everything. Alright, we got those ordered. They're a pretty big patch panel. We went ahead and got a patch panel on a couple of, we got patch panels for both sides. And I think we just got them off of eBay, Motors or whatever. And it's like, we got that rust reformer and those little like sticky patch panels just in case. So all in all, it was like $75 for everything, and it was a little bit more because of their rust reformer, so it was like $10. So it was close to $100 for everything. But they should be here later this month. But now, found that out. Sucks, but whatever. We're gonna start to take the bed off, and in the meantime, while we're waiting on that, we're gonna start working on this. And I think I might end up ordering a bigger fuel pump for this. I'm not sure. I'm going to check it out and see how bad everything is underneath there. But we're going to start by popping the tailgate off and taking the bed cover off, and then start unbolting everything and unhooking all of our lighting wires. Alright, I'm going to try to fight these bed bolts off really quick. I've got 2 of them off. I've got 2 more to do, but they're stuck. So I'm going to try to heat them up and stuff. And, well, other than the one over there by the gas tank. But I'm going to just try to fight with them. And then after I get them unbolted, I'll turn you back on. Alright, we've got them all removed. Only broke one, so that's a plus. I decided I was going to try to rush it and tried heating it up with the torch, and of course that makes the metal a little bit softer, and I popped the head off of it. But that was the only one I used the torch on, so I didn't use it on any of the other ones, and didn't break a single other one. So we're just gonna have to drill out this second one from the back, and we'll be good to go. And I have some more of these extra bolts, so perfect. We're not gonna have to worry about buying one. But I'm going to pull it forward a little bit just so me and my wife can lift it off, and then we're just going to set it in the floor in here for now.
Cannot. Are you serious? Yeah, I'm serious. It's cutting into my hands and it's heavy.
All right, we've got the bed off. Got the bed off and everything, so we're gonna get all our wires tied up and taped up any like the plugs so the rain don't get on them, and then pull it outside. All right, we've got the frame and everything painted up now, and we taped this stuff off because we're going to pull the truck out and let it sit out here after it dries. But for now, that's all we're gonna do. We're gonna, while the bed's off, I'll probably be doing like the fixing the rest. Possibly, I might just wait until we put the bed back on. But I'm gonna leave the bed off until I get some new shocks and possibly put these lowering hangers on. But what I'm looking at is, I don't know if I'm gonna have to flip them. I think they go on the rear. So what I thought they went here, but they aren't gonna fit with the bolt pattern this has. So I thought maybe they went on the front, and maybe someone knows, but it looks like they fit up here a little bit better. Like the angles and everything are the same. So yeah, for that one, that's gonna be about it. We're gonna get some new shocks and possibly a bigger fuel pump, and replace that. We might just get like an OEM one and stick it in there just to get that done while we're at it. And then I'll probably change the fuel filter because I've got a K&N fuel filter, so I might end up swapping that in there. But pretty much we're going to do everything we can that's going to make it easier while this is off. There's a couple like stock hangers I think I'm just going to cut off. Just try to clean it up the best I can underneath here for now. And whenever we run our lights and everything, I'll get them all mounted on the inner part of the frame rail, so it really cleans it up underneath there. But yeah, other than that, thanks for watching.